So the title of my project is Expense Tracker AI, and what it does is basically help users track their expenses and to track their expenses, and then it also provides AI summary. So there's an integration for an AI that uses your expense data to come up with a comprehensive summary for you. So yeah, I've managed to split my code into packages for easy understanding. So basically, I have three tables, and I've split them, and I've created controllers for the three tables, models for the three, repositories for the three, services for the three, UI because excuse me, because my project is I'm demonstrating a terminal UI app. So I separated of all of my UI sections into classes for easy understanding. So these are all the UI classes I have, and then uh, I have a util class for interacting with the back end and consuming the API. Then I have the main application class, which is the main entry into the class, where I'm using a Spring Boot. I'm using a Spring application, so it runs the Spring application and then it displays my UI. So let me demonstrate how it works. So I'm going to run this now. Okay, so this is my UI over here. I'm going to be real quick because I don't have much time. So I'm going to log in because I created a user, and the user's email is jd at gmail.com. So the password is quite straightforward. And yeah, so this is what you get: a login successful message. Um, Greets you based on the time of the day it greets you. Then these are the options you have. So let's start with adding an expense. So we add an expense. Let's just so initially you have to select a category. So let's select where is it, pet care, so 20. Yeah, and let's say we use about 45 euros for that, and let's say took my dog to the vet, and then we want to use current date, so we just press enter, and yeah, it tells you it has been successfully added. You can view your expenses. So I'm going to view my expenses now. I had already inserted sample data for this particular user, so when I view my expenses, you're going to see a lot of those data. So you can view expenses by sorting it in whatever method you want. So let's just start with the first one, sorting by date. So yeah, these are all my expenses for now. These are my expenses, and then yeah, so do I want to view more? Let's just say yes for now, and then you can sort by amount. You sort the fourth one, and you notice we sort lowest to highest, so this is lowest to the highest. So no, we don't want to sort anymore. And then yeah, you can also update your expense, you can delete your expense, you can get an so this is the main feature that I believe makes my project stand out: the AI summary. So the idea is using your the AI uses your expense data to come up with things like insights, things like financial advice, suggestion, recommendations for you. So let's just see how that works. So I select 5, and it's processing. So we wait for what it says. Okay, so this is it. All right. All right, so it's giving quite a summary. Okay, Okay, so yeah, I that's the main part of my app. So because I would have loved to demonstrate more, but I don't have much time. So yeah, you can play around with it if you have access. And thank you very much.